Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to log into the Prodigy game. Some of you might already have accounts, and that's okay. Then you can just skip this video and use the class code. I'll show you how to do that later. But if you don't have an account, when you go to prodigy.com, you have the link in the email I sent you. You can do create a free account today, and you'll get a menu to choose from. So choose student. And then it gives you a passcode area. So you need to have the thing that I sent you, the little email where you put your name and the first letter of your second name and then your secret password. So let me just get mine. And I put in my password. And press sign up. You can press save to make sure that you're saved into the account as always, or you can press never and it won't save your information, but you need to keep your login safe. So this is how you log into Prodigy.